everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Incredible Ambe, and I hope you all are doing well. First of all, this is the part 3 of Satnik collection products review, and I will review the remaining 2 products which I didn't review in my part 1 and part 2 this Satnik collection products review. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Satnik hair revitalizing mask and the Satnik scalp tonic. So these 2 products I'm going to be reviewing in today's video. So before that, I will suggest you please watch the part 1 and part 2 of this session because in that session I reviewed 4 shampoos plus 1 conditioner, and also I given you a really wonderful information about the Satnik. What is Satnik? So without any further ado, let's get started with this video, part 3 video. So first of all, our first product is, which I'm going to be reviewing, is Satnik hair revitalizing mask, which is, as you can see on the screen, it turned out like this. It looks like this. It comes in a tube just like you can see on the screen, like this only. So the main purpose of this, the main work of this hair mask is to provide the deep conditioning to your hair. This will provide the deep conditioning to your hair, which will make your hair more strong, more smooth from the external appearance of your hair, which will become a more smooth, more shine, and from inside out it will become so strong because more nourishment is provided to this to your hair by the conditioning, just like from this mask. And it's especially formulated for the people who have a very dry scalp, and they are getting many hair damages just because of dry scalp. And one more thing about the Satnik hair mask is that it will make your hair strands more 6x stronger than before, which is really good. So this really powerful because it also have an energy complex. As I told you in my previous video, what is energy complex, I've given you full detail on that. That's why I'm suggesting you please watch the part 1 video. Now coming to the ingredients, what are the ingredients it have? So it have 2 ingredients, very powerful ingredients, is that grapeseed and kikwi seed oil. Kikwi seed oil and grapeseed oil both became a very powerful ingredient which is in this, and they are mainly known for its conditioning power. It will make your hair more smooth from inside out because it's doing the conditioning, proper conditioning. So these two powerful ingredients it have. And now coming to the benefits, what are the benefits it have? So the first benefit is that first it will provide the deep conditioning to your hair, which will make your hair more strong from inside out and more smooth from the external appearance. And the second benefit is that it's also repairing the damages which is happening to your hair and which is going to be happen. Just like a very damaged hair, it's also removing that damaged hair, which are the problems causes the damaged hair. It will remove that causes, and it also repair what are the breakouts. It's going to be happen, the new breakouts. And the third benefit is that it's also removing the problems which are happening after color treated hair. Means that it is removing all problems which are happening by coloring your hair. This is really good thing. And the last benefit is, I already told you, it makes your hair more strong, means 6x stronger than inside out, and external appearance will also increase by using this hair mask. And now coming to the usage, how to use this hair mask. First of all, what you have to do is just have to shampoo your hair. Then after, just have to dry it, not very much dry your hair, just have to little bit dry your hair, and just have to take a little bit amount of this mask into your palm, and just you have to apply in your hair and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Just leave it for 5 to 10 minutes, and just usually rinse it your hair. Just usually wash it as you are washing properly before. So this is the overall review of this Satnik hair mask. So I would recommend to you all guys, if you have a problem of this kind of problems, you are getting too much damages because of your colored hair, and you are not taking too much and your hair are not gaining too much conditioning, then you can use this hair mask. This is really awesome and I have no words. And now coming to our second product is scalp tonic. So scalp tonic, the photo you can see on the screen, this is the overall scalp, but it's coming in a pump formula. And this scalp tonic, it's especially helps to promote the hair growth and to increase the strengthen. So it's specially formulated to do this one. Mainly problems it's this. So mainly people have a problem that they have a very thin hair and no hair and their hair growth is mainly stopped. And that's why they have a very thin hair. So it's a really good option for them who wanted the hair growth and they wanted the very long hair and very smooth and this very good kind of hair. So this is a really good option for them, revitalizing scalp tonic, and especially formulated for that also those who have a problem of scalp, just like a scalp problem. They are always itching in their scalp because of some damages happens in your scalp. So it's also removing that damages, and at the same time it's also repairing the new breakouts which are going to be happen in your scalp, and just repairing all the damages which has happened. So these are the two very good thing which I like in this one. And now coming to the ingredients, what are the ingredients it have? So it has a tissue extract, liquidized extract, and some kind of another extract which is mainly added to this one to make it more better than before. So it's a botanical ingredient which will promote the hair growth from inside out and makes your hair more smooth and more strong and more shining from an external appearance. And now coming to the benefits, what are the benefits it have? So as I already told you this much benefits. So these are the benefits which it have. And now coming to the usage. Usage is really important for better result. So usage, just you have to use twice daily, means you have to use 2 times in a day. And what you have to do is that just take a little bit amount and just you have to massage it in your scalp and wait for some time. And one more thing is that in revitalizing mask you can wash it, but in case of scalp tonic, if you're using this scalp tonic, don't wash it and use it twice daily for better result, and you will see a better hair growth in just only few days. So yeah guys, this is the overall review about these 2 products, scalp tonic and revitalizing mask. And if you have these kind of problems which I told you, and please use this one. These are the really amazing mask and tonic. So I hope you all understood about these 2 products, and if you like this video, please like. As I'm always saying, please share this video because it could be really helpful to them who wanted to know about the Satnik collection and their products. So it's going to be really helpful. So please share this video as much as you can do it, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And please comment me in the comment below section which video you want to see the next, and you can also give any suggestions if you want to do. If you want to give me, I will really focus on that. So thank you so much for watching my video. I will be back with a new video. Till then, bye.